Hi friends, this is Rashik Reddy. Friends, in this particular video, we will learn how to install MySQL database in Windows 10. I already downloaded that MySQL database from internet. Just now I am trying to install in my Windows 10. Just double click on it. It will automatically install. Now we will get a pop-up window. Just allow it. It takes a little bit time to install. Okay, click on yes. Now you will get a pop-up window. Just accept it. Click on next. And I'm not changing any installation step. Just click on next. It is asking some check requirements. No, I'm not selecting anything. Just click on next. It is asking me after that. Click on execute. It is trying to install all required, what are the required softwares. It will take a little bit time to install. Okay, now everything is installed. Just click on next. After that, we need to configure everything, whatever installed. Just click on next. I'm not changing anything. Just click on next. It is asking development mission. It is giving the port number as the 3306 as and the port number. After that, click on next. Here it is asking password. You can give any password. I am giving the password as ABC. You can give any password. Once after giving the password, I think we need to give some big password. You can give any password. I am giving password as password only. I am giving password. After that, click on next. Okay, I am checking it. It is asking that start the MySQL server at system startup. Not required. I am unchecking it. After that, click on next. It is taking port numbers 3306. After that, click on next. After that, it is asking to configure. Just click on next. It is trying to install everything. It take a little bit time to install. Okay, everything is configured. Just click on finish. Click on next. Click on finish. Click on next. Here it is asking. Well, let's check. The username is root and password is whatever the password you given earlier. We need to enter that one. In my case, it is password. So I just enter the password. Check. It is just showing that connection is succeeded. All connections succeeded. After that, click on next. After that, execute. It's take a little bit time. Once after configuration steps are completed, the installation process is completed. Okay, everything is finished. Click on finish. Okay. After that, just uncheck it is. Click on finish. Now let's check whether really MySQL database is installed or not. Here I am typing MySQL shell. Go to MySQL command line client. Okay, it is asking some password. You need to enter your password. Click on OK. Now it is connected to our database. You can check. So databases. So it's showing all the databases. What are the databases installed by default? Like this, you can install MySQL database in our Windows system. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching.